Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from CUBOT X20 to an Android device. Start by accessing Play Store on both of them. Now you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Then open it. Click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we have to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So open. Accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then go with receive on an Android and send on CUBOT. Now you need to tap on all of those kind of dots and choose send in order to send all of your data. But I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time. I will only go with this one photo, for example, choose send and then click got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon over here on an Android, choose allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. But if you want to check it out just to be sure, you can always go into some kind of files app, click on, in my case, images, and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!